Today we have a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is "She was convinced she was in charge. She was wrong."
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so don't miss out on future videos. An officer was working extra duty at a Publix grocery store when he spotted a woman who reportedly attempted to steal merchandise in the past.
You haven't been here in a while, and all of a sudden you pop back up, and I know you steal stuff before.
Ready? Oh, I've stolen.
Yes.
So it's time to call the FBI in.
Yes.
But let's ask you to scan the detector. You're fine. Don't worry about it. I just don't. Yeah, you can. I got it. Now.
Because there's no reason to put any of that stuff in your backpack when you come up here.
I did exactly what I need. My job is exactly. And it's buy one get one free. Correct. I have my receipts for everything else, but my phone's on 1%, so make sure you get his ID and mine. If you don't get his, if you don't get mine because my phone died, it's okay. But make sure you get these items on receipt because Pelosi is done. Sorry.
Don't be sorry to me, because you're the one that's concealing all that stuff in your backpack.
I'm so sorry, but maybe it's time for them to see your face.
You can. You can, because you're being recorded right now.
Thank God. We're going to make sure that the wine is also a replacement bottle because I have a picture of that receipt and the receipt before. So I have the buy one get one free was that 60 loaf. I have the receipt for that because I had to return the other one, but she said I got it on buy one get one. So she said to grab the other one. I just saw her. Could you speak with? Brown mountain hair, glasses on. I'll show you. She said, oh, my phone. Hold that. Okay. Write your name down and give me your receipt tomorrow. Okay. Also just write that information down. Write Officer Pelosi with it, and hold that with that.
I'm not going to do that because you just come back tomorrow.
This one is a buy one get one front. Take care of that.
But you don't have. I need the receipts.
My phone died, so I can't do anything until I.
So did you want me to save it then until you're ready?
This.
Okay. And you'll be back tonight.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to just hold everything or
hold everything? I took a picture of him. We'll charge it up.
So she ain't got the money. They're talking about hold everything so she could come back later tonight. Nah. You ain't got the money. You tried to pull a fast one. You're caught.
The only thing I want is a bottle of wine.
Okay. So let's just.
And then I'm going to have you do a sequence of scans, okay?
So $15.96.
Scan every single one of them except for this one. But make sure you only do the ones that look old first. That look old. No, look at the numbers. So you have to look at the ones that have already been used first.
They're all the same.
No, take your time and scan each one first.
They're your cards. If you want to go ahead and scan them, you can.
Okay. Because you're going to prison.
Yeah, I'm going to prison. Okay. Just do what you got to do and get out of the store.
That one has a little bit, right?
Yeah, $2.92 on that.
Okay. You're going straight.
Yeah, okay.
This one we're calling the company about.
No, unfortunately that one doesn't have it.
No, we're calling the company about this one. Okay.
That one still has 5.
Now you're going straight.
Yeah, okay.
And I hope it's 7 bullets in your head.
Yeah, okay. Have a nice day. Get out of here and don't come back.
Don't
come back here. You hit me and you go to jail.
If he touches me ever,
Go.
I am
Get out of
filing
here.
a full report.
Get out of here.
If you ever.
Get out of here. Goodbye.
This is where it is
Goodbye.
done.
Go.
Prison for the rest of his life.
Get out of here or you're going to jail. Go.
Go to prison and get the
Go.
f out of my face,
Go.
you dirty ass.
Go. Go.
Touch me.
Go.
You have it on camera. He touched
Go.
me. You have it on
Go.
camera. He physically
Go.
assaulted me. Nope.
Wow. Unbelievable.
No, you have it on camera. He touched me. You have it on camera. He touched me. He had no right to touch me.
Can I get a 44?
I protected myself. I protected myself after he touched me. I have it on camera. No, he touched me. I have it on camera. He touched me.
Stop.
I have it on
resisting.
full camera. He touched me. I have it on full camera. He touched me. I have it on camera. He touched me. I have it on camera. He touched me. I have it on camera. Yeah, I kicked him in his nuts after he touched me. He had no right to touch me. He touched me. You have no right to fucking touch me. You have no fucking right to touch me. You have no right to touch me. You have no fucking right.
He let her up?
No, I did not. He assaulted me.
Back up.
My head is bleeding.
Okay.
Get him off of me. I need the handcuff. Get him off of me.
He struck him
Where's your
first.
hand?
No, I didn't. You're a liar.
He wouldn't. He backed off.
No, he didn't. He literally touched me. He shocked me twice. You have every
Roll over
thing.
and put your hands behind your back.
Go.
Roll
Go.
over and put your hands behind your back.
Who the heck is this guy that's standing in front of the cop car? Like, come on.
Going to prison.
You struck him.
You are a fucking liar.
He stood back.
No, you didn't. No, he didn't. You're a liar.
Stop.
You are going to go straight to hell.
India 30, I'm
And guess what?
Oh, that's the
Guess
guy that
what,
was in the
my
store.
sweetheart? You will.
Oh, okay.
Guess what's gonna happen to you?
I saw it.
Good. Ready?
Stop.
No, I'm
Stop.
trying to get my head out of blood. You have 2 seconds to save my life before you go to prison. He's going to. Yeah, I do have a fanny pack, you fucking idiot. He's been working here for how long and still lied. He has sexually assaulted how many girls? Raped and abused how many fucking girls?
Oh, whoa,
He
whoa,
has
come
literally
on,
watched me
man.
since I was
Guys
15
messing up my
years old.
video.
Yeah.
Yes, you
She
have.
Heidi's FD.
In the fucking community. Let's go.
India 30. India 30. 44. Can we get
And I'm bleeding. You better take me straight to the ER. Straight to the ER.
Can you stand her up? So roll her over.
Straight
Sit
to
her up.
the ER. If I don't go to the ER, you're going straight to prison.
Sure.
Oh, sure, because it's a joke. No, you don't get to take my fanny pack off. Ouch! Ouch! You don't get to do that.
Just cut it.
You are ripping my body.
It's like a test of.
It is literally stuck to me because of what he did.
Yeah, it's stuck.
And you're stuck to me. Tell him to let me go. Tell him to let me go.
Just come over here.
Really? Just come over here so they don't see it? So they don't see it? So they lie? So you lie? It is stuck to my fucking body. You need to take me to the ER. Yeah, because you're a fucking lying bastard. You got kicked in the nuts because you raped people since you were 15.
Down.
We've been 15 years old in this community while he raped people.
I'll hold on to what you gotta do.
Oh, man, come
Yeah, do what you
on,
gotta do,
man.
bro. No, I won't stop. And fucking for making him the best guy. You literally have something stuck in my body. That's what he did.
Yes. He tased you.
No, he lied. I paid for my shit, and he still tried to rape somebody. Guess what you get? Silver. Because I'm not the one lying.
Put your
So
feet
now
inside.
it's time.
Thank you. Yeah, so the prong is like stuck to the rice. The fanny pack, so it's like literally out and stuck with the fanny pack. So as I was trying to pull the fanny pack out, hey.
It's to the point where now I'm pressing full charges and don't touch me. Don't touch me. I kid you not. What they did, what he did, well, I paid for every bit of my groceries. Well, I asked him to check what he did, call the police and the FBI immediately. I have a contusion to the point of, please, I didn't do anything. He literally lied.
We're just here. We're here
It's
to
okay.
check you out.
All right.
Jason.
So, and my house keys are missing. So the fact that he has my house keys, absolutely not. I want my house keys in my bag. I don't want anybody touching my shit. I want everything in my bag. My house keys need to be in my bag. Where are my house keys? Where are my house keys? Where are my house keys? First of all, you don't have shit to say to me because your ass is so disgusting.
You're going to jail.
He's going to prison. He literally raped and assaulted me. He touched me unequivocally. And yes, straight to the hospital.
You want to go to the hospital?
Yes, please. And send him straight to prison. I want my house keys in my satchel. Can I see my house keys, please? I would like to see all of my property because I had items I had to take back to the store. I had so much stuff in here, so we need to check some of my items first. So let's go, please, to my items. Let's go. I didn't steal anything from this store. So therefore, I have no right to be trespassed. I need all. He's going straight to prison. I need all of my stuff checked. I didn't steal anything. I didn't take anything. I didn't touch anything. All of my items should be straight in my purse. One, no, he doesn't get to take anything out. I need my keys and I need my bag.
All right, you want to go to the hospital by ambulance?
Yes, I said so, but I'm not being charged for that. I want to make sure that I have my house key. Before we do anything, I just want my property. Okay, so
That's
okay, so as an officer, I'm not under arrest. Can we step towards my property? Here we go. I'm going towards my property right here. Right here. Hold on. Yes, I am. I'm checking my property. Stop, ma'am. Can you check my property and make sure my house keys and everything are in it before they touch my stuff?
I'm not allowed to.
They are illegally touching my stuff, and they are illegally trying to take advantage. No, stop fucking lying, you disgusting bastard! I'm so fucking sick of you, nasty. You, because I now have your fucking skin under my nails.
Stop.
Oh, that wasn't it?
Yeah,
Wasn't it?
stop, okay?
Wasn't it?
Stop, all right?
Oh, really?
Stop.
Oh, really? Oh,
Stop,
really?
okay? You want to stop?
How can I keep going? Guess what? This is all a lawsuit. This is all a lawsuit. So guess what? It's us against them. You all going to prison. And your camera on? Your camera's on?
Yep.
Good. Thank you. Keep going. Straight to prison. You could let go. You better speak Spanish a little harder. No, I didn't. Some people lie. They're all going to prison. I'm not playing with them. And the second he pulls me any harder, I'm not going to teeth out.
Yeah, we don't do anything.
Really?
No, I know. I was.
You want to go there with them? Because that's where you want to be?
Ma'am,
Look at yourself.
ma'am, we're gonna go over here, okay?
Look at where you've gone. Look where you are. Nasty bastard.
Can you scoot your butt up that way? Thank you.
Show them all.
Do you have any medical history at all? You take medication?
Check my bag for my stuff.
I'm not allowed to check your stuff. ma'am.
Yes, you are.
We're not. We're just here for medicine.
Can one of you ride with her
No, it's fine.
and then follow?
Nope, you cannot.
Yeah. All right.
No, he's not allowed. Officer Moore is not ever allowed near me. I will
Sure.
not allow that. And that motherfucker is going straight to prison.
Have your phone on you?
What medication do you take?
None. Marijuana only.
Do it, yeah.
My marijuana, my medical marijuana is in my backpack. That's also why I needed to check.
Okay.
Everything has to be safe. He hit me in the head.
Any allergies to medication?
Yes, several. Anything with oxys and hydros. You fucking bastard.
Ma'am, I'm Sergeant Campbell with the Orlando Police Department. Why did he have to tase you?
That's a great question. Ask him.
No, I'm asking you.
I have no idea
What
because I
happened?
paid for my groceries. I left to leave, and he still lied. So please
I don't
ask.
worry about that stuff, but why did he have to tase
That's
you?
exactly what I'm
Were
asking.
you fighting him?
I did not want him near me.
Okay, so you fought
No,
him?
I was not fighting him.
No? Well, why would he have had to tase you?
Ask him.
No, I'm asking you.
Ask him. I cannot give you that answer.
Okay.
That is in his purview,
All right.
right? Exactly what he touched me. Oh my God, he touched me. It's on camera. He touched me before I ever kicked him in the nuts. He touched me. He put his hands on me and physically touched me, and I kicked him in the fucking nuts.
In the end, Alicia was charged with resisting an officer without violence and battery on a law enforcement officer. She pled no contest to both charges and her adjudication was withheld. She was sentenced to 101 days in jail with credit for 101 days served and 24 months of probation. She was also ordered to undergo a mental health evaluation and any needed treatment, write a letter of apology to the officer, and pay a total of $8,806.49 in costs and fees. She has since been arrested again after she reportedly walked out of a bar without paying her tab and kicked the general manager in the testicles. If you like this video and want to see more like
Boy, she has a thing with nuts, don't she? God dang. Boy. She got a thing with nuts, man. Treat the nuts nice. You're not nice. You treating them wrong, man. Insane. She's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. That's why I just had to kick back and watch this one, because this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. She tried to pull a fast one, got caught. Going grocery shopping, but you ain't got the money. You barely even paid for the wine. Maybe if you laid off the alcohol, you might be a little bit better. You know, better of a person. You go into the bars and all that. You can't handle it. You need to be. Jail ain't always the right place for some of these people. You know, she seriously needs to be in like a psych ward or something. Something along that nature. A little mental health evaluation, No, that ain't going. So pretty much what happened was it took about 90 days for this case to conclude. And she ain't have the money to bond out, so she just sat there the whole time. When she went to court, time served. Whatever. It's just, come on, man. Unbelievable. But like I said, jail for some people is not necessarily the correct answer. And we see that in her case. You know, jail ain't the correct answer for her. She needs to be somewhere where the crazy people is, you know, kept. honestly. But anyways, overall, I get a cop of 5, man, because he really did let her go, you know. Even her getting in his face and yelling at him, like, even that, I mean, I wouldn't have tolerated that, you know. And he was still just like, just go. But once she hit him, you know, then that was the, you know, that's when he had to get her together. So this is what it is. But yeah, I get a cop of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.